Snoring is very common, but it's not normal. If your child is snoring at night, this is a clear indication that their airway is restricted, which is why you're hearing their airway or their breathing go in and out. Breathing should be silent, like this. And that's why if your child is snoring, you really have to take them to an airway-focused pediatric dentist that will help you get to the root cause of the snoring. Why is the airway restricted? We'll do a thorough assessment, a thorough detailed investigation and history taking, and will help guide you what to do for your child starting now, because they will not outgrow snoring. It will just keep being bigger with them. The problem will get bigger with them, and one day they will start compensating, and then sleep apnea will come. I hope this is clear enough. I love your questions. Thanks.